Okay, I'm Mark's dad, and for the boy in his classroom that said I couldn't do this, I'm going to show you right now. It might take me a little bit, but I'm going to do it right now. You ready? Here we go. Like I said, it's not going to be super fast, but we'll get it done. I know it doesn't look like much, but we're going to get there. All right, there's our X on the top. All right. Now we have X, 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 almost. Now I'm going to do this last one without even looking. All right, now we have X's on all 6 sides. Now we're going to get a top and a bottom. All right. Yep. Okay. We're getting there. All right, now we have 3 that are all the same. All done.